And we're back. You know, when I'm getting this all set up, I can see myself right here. And I know you're going to have a hard time believing this, but this is a toupee. I got old and my hair's starting to fall out. And it's gray. You know, when I joined the circus back in 1989, I never imagined in a million years that I'd be doing a TV show here on the YouTube for y'all, where y'all get to look at me. In the circus, I was clear the fuck down there in the bottom of the arena with a bunch of other guys running around, getting out of a little car, squirting each other, throwing buckets of confetti on each other. You couldn't see my face. Well, enough about me. Wait, no, not enough about me. I'm Murph the Clown. Welcome to part 2 of our Girl Gang double feature here on the Late Night Picture Show. I got a brand new drink. It's really just a Manhattan with just a smidge. Okay, a bar spoon full of Chambord. I'm not even going to pretend not to say these names anymore, because you know what? If they sue me, I'll probably get more viewers. I'm not endorsed by any of these liquor companies. I only drink their products. And you should too. Unless you're an alcoholic, then don't drink. Part 2. Switchblade sisters, also known as the Jezebels. I don't know where, but also known as. From the director who brought you Coffee and Foxy Brown. I mean, good hell, people. Let's think about that for a second. Hang on, my suit's weird. There we go. So easy to kill. So hard to love. Yeah, we'll get to that. Rolling Thunder Pictures and Johnny Legend present. Here we go. I'm going to name some names now. Robbie Lee, Joanne Nail. Headlining. I never heard of them, but they're before the title. Switchblade sisters, Asher Bronner, Kitty Bruce, Janice Carmen, Marlene Clark, and Monica Gale as Patch. Music by Medusa. Okay. There you go. There's some credits for you. Switchblade sisters. AKA the Jezebels. In some time zones. 1975. Centaur Pictures. Not what it said on the poster, is it? Well, that's who it was copyrighted by. Directed by Exploitation Pro Jack Hill. If you don't know who Jack Hill is, look him up. Watch some of his movies. Something weird happened on my screen, sorry. Distracted me. Starring. Remember Bob from that 70s show? Yeah, the curly-headed guy. Picture him like 20 years old. He's in this movie. And the lady who voices Theodore, the chipmunk. Yeah. Some heavy hitters in this one. Not mentioned on the poster, oddly. That's 2 in a row. How the hell do you not mention that Harry Dean Stanton is in your movie? He should be at the top. Okay. I'm going off here for no reason. Okay. Let's bring it down, shall we? The Dagger Debs are a tough and ruthless street gang. Kind of like the Jets in West Side Story. They are a bunch of hard-talking chicks who hang out with the Silver Daggers, a bunch of 30-year-old high school punks who shoot pool and talk smack about their rival, Crabs, who may have been one of the monkeys. I'm not sure, but he looked like one of the monkeys. The leader of the Debs is Lace. She is basically owned by Dom, which I assume is short for Dominique. Dominic? The leader of the Daggers. Well, one spring day, they are all about to enjoy a burger when this girl won't get up from their table. Their table. Meet Maggie. She kicks ass and gets hauled away to juvie, right along with the rest of the Debs. She and Lace make fast friends. She's in like that. Until a little jealousy pops up. And then it is betrayal after betrayal as Lace comes undone and Maggie kicks yet someone else's ass. This time Hook, played by Bob from That 70s Show. I'm sorry I don't know his name. And it wasn't on the poster, so we're screwed. She throws all the men out. Then she hatches a plan to take down Crabs. Yeah. Well, this was nowhere near as good as, say, Coffee or Foxy Brown. Maybe we needed Pam Grier. Maybe there was a different writer. I don't know. This was rife with shitty acting, of even shittier writing. And these thugs come off more like, well, I already mentioned, they come off like West Side Story than the hoods they're meant to be. It was totally predictable, right up until the threats at the end. An obvious setup for a sequel. Only no one wanted a sequel. No one with any money anyway. Sorry, Jack. This one didn't cut it. We're going back to the old days where there was just a single ring in the circus. It's a one-ring circus on the late night picture show with Switchblade sisters. There was some line about Dagger Debs and something about Double D, and that's not just my bra size. But we won't get into that. Because now it's time for Monkey's appearance on the show. Let's see what we got in here. And sorry, Psychomania's not in there yet. Damn, about took out the whole bucket. Let go, monkey. Let go. We're going to space next week. Now, I'm going to say maybe next week because I have like a 54-hour week at the gas station this week. Believe it or not, I don't make enough to live off of YouTube, so I have to work. And there's not much clown work going around. So, next week, on my one night off, if I get enough done, like wash my gas station uniforms so they don't have clown makeup on the collar still, we'll be shooting a space double feature. And it is the green slime and first spaceship on Venus next week, hopefully, on the Late Night Picture Show. I don't want to take off too many weeks in a row. Y'all might stop watching. All 5 of you. I know I have more subs than that, but I don't know about views. I've had a few views on these pictures. The green slime, first spaceship on Venus, next time on the Late Night Picture Show. I'm Murph the Clown. If you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you hated it, give me a thumbs down. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think. Mormo always lets me know what he thinks. And Mormo might have a recommendation for snacks for an outer space double feature too. You'll have to read my comments and see what he says. So, we'll see you next time on the Late Night Picture Show. Oh, I forgot. You should subscribe to my channel. Even if you don't watch this garbage. I need just a few more subscriptions so I can change my name. Good night, kids.